Hi everyone, this is Noelle from Petitti's and with my coworker Jason here.
How's it going?
And it is April and Jason lives in an area where he gets deer and also we found out maybe some raccoons.
Yes.
And so it was a really good idea and some great forethought on his part to put upright posts so he could put some deer netting around these raised garden beds that he's built. So Jason, tell us a little bit about what you're doing here.
Sure. So the concept is relatively simple. Attached to the corners of the raised beds, I got 2x2 by 6 foot posts. I cut them down to 6 foot. Generally speaking, when it comes to deer, and especially with small enclosures like this, 6 feet is plenty. The deer netting that I have is the Deer X. It is 7 feet tall by 100 feet long, and it has a 3/4 inch mesh. I like the black because it's unobtrusive, so it doesn't look like you're trying to fence in something, but it's still going to give you a great amount of protection.
Absolutely. And the deer netting, again, small enough mesh that really it's going to keep a lot of your bigger pests out. So
Yeah.
it's really good too. And then you decided to go around the corners of this first bed here where you planted leafy greens and so forth. And then basically you're going to make a doorway, right, as you go to the next bed. And then you're going to open it up.
Yep.
And you were going to attach it by like just a screw enclosure?
Yeah, either screws or even like the screw-in hooks. The thought is that with the width of the beds, it makes it very easy to get in and harvest it from both sides. But being that we're netting one side, it makes it easier for us that I can take it, unhook it, do what you need to do, come down the rows, and then reattach it so that it makes it a lot easier to harvest. It still gives you the security of the deer.
Yeah, for sure. And then you just attached it with your staple gun, right?
Yeah, just a simple staple gun, nothing fancy, and just what I like to do is to make sure that not only you're doing this way, but I also stapled it along the bottom. That way, if anything like squirrels or rabbits want to try to get up and in there, you've got protection essentially on all
sides. Yeah, absolutely. Great. Okay, this is perfect. So we're going to see more of this as we get going through the growing season, but enjoy.
Thanks.